Isn't cigarette smoke, is it? The print you wanna leave behind. Get all those cold eyes cold looking, but saying bye bye bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. Just a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know there's a...
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video we have a new segment of how to style linen. And I have created a couple of great outfits for the summer, and it all has to do with linen. And linen is so in right now since we are about to start summer. Linen, you see it everywhere, from trousers, jumpsuits, tops, anything like that. I love wearing linen because I'm wearing anything that's very bohemian and girly, and when you wear linen, it just gives you like that kind of like boho vibes. All of these outfits that I'll be showing you guys, they're either from ZARA, New York company, so they're very affordable prices, and I'm very excited to show you guys some great outfits. They're very casual, very laid back, and honestly, I wear linen throughout the summer because it's not only comfortable, but it's like appropriate for the summer. For these outfits that I'll be showing you guys, all of it is brand new, so if you guys are thinking of buying something you see in the video, check my description below. I have everything linked down below. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get into it.
What you feel. Shame on me, thinking it was just a phase. Got me like ooh, got me like ooh. Ain't it fun recognizing your mistakes? Got me like ooh, feelings like ooh. Now I brought my worst behavior, throwing a party in my head, yeah. Prayers from my saviors, just let it rain all over me, over me, over me, over me, over me, advertising. You are not meant for me, still not surprising. Need no apologies, cause I just don't really care what you think, what you think, what you think.